Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can automate status updates on your Asana projects. This is your complete guide for 2025. First, you'll want to launch Asana and navigate to the project where you want to automate status updates. This step is crucial because it's where you set the foundation for automation. Once there, find the Rules icon on the top right corner and click on it. Now, don't worry if you've never used Rules before. Rules in Asana are a powerful way to automate routine tasks like status updates, which saves you time and keeps your projects flowing smoothly. Now that we've done that, click on the plus Add Rule button. This opens up a new window where we can create our custom rule. The reason we do this is to tailor the automation according to our specific needs. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is preparing to associate a specific trigger with an action, which in our case is the status update. Next up, under the Select Trigger option, choose Task marked as complete. This helps us because we want the status update to be automated whenever a task gets completed. Then, under the Select Action option, choose Update the project status. Now remember to write a custom status message that will reflect the project's progress. Let me explain why this matters. A well-crafted status message gives team members a quick snapshot of the project's progress, keeping everyone in the loop. Finally, click on Create Rule. And just like that, you've automated your status updates on Asana. Your project status will now automatically update each time a task is completed. In conclusion, automating status updates on Asana not only saves your time, but also ensures transparency and consistency in your project management. So go ahead and let Asana do the heavy lifting. That's all for now, folks. Stay productive and see you in the next video.